protections that should be included in a home renovation are pretty essential for the contractor and the customer. When a dispute arises, it's really important for the customer to know what happens in the event of a dispute. And the same thing for a contractor. It usually is best practice to consult your local attorney, specifically an attorney that works in construction law. The state that you live in typically has some sort of template or guideline. This is usually the basic legalese that is required for a construction contract. It is highly suggested and advised that you consult an attorney, but certain protections that you may want to include as a customer is protections regarding warranties. When something goes wrong, you want to be able to have the assurance that you can reach out to your contractor and make sure that there's a specific process in place and time limit put on the actual workmanship. For the contractor, there's going to be a number of protections that you want in place as well. This is, again, best if you consult your local attorney, but certain things to look for are when you don't receive payment from a customer. Those are big ones. The big ones are not getting paid by a customer, and for the customer, big ones are not having the contractor come out and make corrections or actually complete the work. There's a lot of cases in construction law that involve contractors not completing work or doing work that isn't up to the standards of the local building code. So these are the things that you want to talk to your attorney about and make sure that you have the appropriate language in your agreement for. And also don't be shy to consult an attorney prior to signing a construction agreement. Usually these sorts of things get resorted after the fact, after something has arisen, a dispute or whatnot.